What's up, YouTube? I'm gonna show you guys how to make some garlic fried rice with a little twist. A little something I put together myself. So what you're gonna need is green onions, some garlic cloves, some minced garlic, some salt, garlic powder, and you're gonna need some day-old rice. Okay, make sure it's in the fridge if it's a day old, because it gets spoiled fast. So the little twist I'm gonna add to it is, boom, some hot links. Some good old hot links. So it's gonna be a garlic fried rice with hot links inside. And make sure you have this minced garlic. Doesn't have to be a name brand. Kirkland is all good, which is Costco. So that's a good garlic actually. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and put this stuff together. I'm gonna show you how to start making it. I forgot 2 ingredients. Eggs. You guys need eggs and oil. Make sure it's vegetable oil, not olive oil, because olive oil sticks. See, that's some very important information right there. So eggs and oil. I'll be right back. Okay, so I got the pan heated up, put in the oil. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the eggs in first and get that out the way. So I'm gonna put the eggs in first, go ahead and start cooking this up, and then depending on how many people you're serving and how big the fried rice you're gonna try to make, we're gonna go ahead and put as much eggs as you want. So right now this is about 8 eggs with a lot of oil. Just keep stirring it up because we're gonna cook this real good. All right, so once this is cooked, put this to the side. Then we're gonna go ahead and do with the garlic next. Okay, so next is the garlic. Putting the garlic in there. Gonna take some of this minced garlic, go ahead and put it in there. It's a lot of garlic because I'm gonna make a big batch. So you've gotta make sure it tastes good. Put that back in there. Okay, so now we're just gonna let this cook a little bit, make it brown, and let the flavors come out of the garlic. All right, garlic's nice and golden brown. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take that day-old rice, we're gonna go ahead and put it in. Now when you put it in, make sure you wash your hands, and then when you put it inside, you're gonna have to smush it, so it'll be all, you know, like that. Okay, nice and like that, perfect. Okay, so we're gonna do it like that with a whole batch of rice. Okay, so we're gonna do. Okay, so the rice is in. Now we just gotta go ahead and start mixing it up so all the garlic gets mixed up with it also. See all that nice garlic added into it already. Keep mixing it up like that, and see how loose the rice is, because like I said, when we put it in, kind of smushed it already. So keep mixing it up, keep stirring it, and we're gonna start adding the other ingredients soon. Okay, so we're gonna add a little bit of garlic salt right now, just for now. This is just a little bit. Take a little bit of salt. I'm sorry, that wasn't garlic salt, that was garlic powder. So now you take a little salt. Okay, so first one was garlic powder. This one's salt. Okay, mix it up a little bit. Okay, if you see any clumps, just press on down. And see, the reason I'm using this because I can press down on it easily. Just keep, mixing it up like that. Now we're just gonna get a little bit of our eggs. Push this to the side. So the eggs that I cooked earlier, which is right here, a little bit. A little bit. A little bit here. Go ahead and kind of mix it up. So now I'm just gonna kind of blend it in real quick. Blend it in. See that? Nice and blend it in real quick. Mush it up. There you go. Add a little bit more garlic powder. Now it's up to you if you want to taste it. If it's too garlicky for you, then maybe just add a little more rice. And if it's not enough garlic, add a little more garlic powder. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and add the little twist that I was telling you about of my hot links. Okay, so now I'm cooking the hot links real quick. Gonna go ahead and stir it up. And then once this is cooked, I'm gonna go ahead and add it to the fried rice. And then it'll be a garlic hot link fried rice. So then I'll show you guys the finishing touches. It's almost done, guys, almost done. Okay, now that we got the sausage cooked, go ahead and just dump a little bit in here. Dump a little bit of hot links in there. And go ahead and mix it up. All right. So another thing I forgot to add was let you guys know, I do like to put soy sauce. I use a Kikkoman soy sauce because it adds a little flavor also and a little color to your fried rice. There. There it is. There it is. Give me 1 second here. Here you go. Garlic fried rice at its finest. All right. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe, and hit the like button. Thanks again.